A system that only responds is a tool. A system that can execute becomes an operational risk. Without strict boundaries, autonomous execution does not scale. It accelerates failure. If you are looking for shortcuts, prompt hacks, or tactical tricks, this channel is not for you. Here, we design systems that must survive production, withstand audit, and operate predictably at scale. Welcome to Context Engineering Mastery. In Episode 3, we enforced reliability. The system became industrial. Until now, it remained passive. It received requests. It produced outputs. This episode crosses a structural threshold. The system no longer only responds. It initiates actions. This shift changes the risk profile entirely. A passive system can produce an incorrect answer. An active system can trigger irreversible consequences. The challenge is no longer accuracy, it is authority. How much control can be delegated without losing governance? Autonomous systems are not programmed, they are governed. To manage execution safely, we apply the PACT doctrine: planning, action, constraint, termination. Most failures occur because teams optimize the action layer while ignoring the surrounding controls. PACT exists to reverse that priority. Before any execution, intent must be explicit. The system is required to produce a structured execution plan before invoking any capability. If the plan violates policy, scope, or sequence, execution is blocked. Control applies to intent, not only outcomes. Execution occurs only through explicitly defined interfaces. Each capability is isolated, parameterized, and invoked deliberately. There is no free-form execution. Every action is bounded by scope, permissions, and expected responses. The most dangerous system is the one that does not stop. Termination conditions are mandatory. Time limits, step limits, failure thresholds. If objectives are not met within predefined boundaries, execution halts automatically. Never grant irreversible authority without rollback. Active systems operate in sandbox mode. They draft, they queue, they propose. The final commit remains human-controlled until reliability is demonstrated at scale. Why accept this complexity? Because of velocity. Human teams operate sequentially. Bounded autonomous systems operate asynchronously. Preparation latency collapses. Analysis runs continuously. Decisions begin with context already assembled. The value is not labor replacement, it is time compression. Autonomy without constraints amplifies risk. Execution must always be preceded by intent validation. Irreversible actions require auditable control. This system can now reason and execute. But it remains context-blind to your internal knowledge, historical decisions, and fragmented documentation. How do we inject knowledge without reintroducing noise and drift? If this was useful, it was not by accident. I'll see you in the next episode.